For the uninitiated, Revival Cycles has its own in-house leather workshop called Revival Limited. All the leather goods are made here in-house by two people. We design, we pattern, and we build. Everything from cutting to sewing to finishing, it's all done here in the workshop, similarly to how we build motorcycles. Every year at the Hand-Built Show, Revival Limited has a booth where we display the newest pieces that we've designed and built that year. For Hand-Built Show 2020, our intention was to launch an entirely new line using new colors and new ways, but obviously COVID-19 has kind of gotten in the way. The products we decided to concentrate on for this year were the motor end keychain, by far our most popular, and our ignition key carry and our original clip key carry. All of these smaller leather pieces that we designed are most definitely inspired by the fabrication of motorcycles and motorcycle riding in general. They're designed to be practical for you to use while also riding a motorcycle. We're also making what we call the Alimony 5-card pocket wallet, as well as the Mag Wallet, which is a card wallet with a magnetic clip on the back to hold your bills. We also designed a wallet we call the Presidio Bifold wallet, which is a more traditional piece, but certainly been a favorite. You'll also find simplistic pieces like our leather coasters, but in a more varied color palette. For our source material, we found a special tannery in Italy called Walpiere. Everyone knows that Italian leather is the pinnacle of leather tanning, and they produce some of the most beautiful veg tan leathers you'll ever find. We started with an array of colors: navy blue, purple, red, orange, yellows, and greens. Colors that really attract the eye. We wanted to take these colors and make something a bit more special. This is the only time we'll be working with this leather, and this is a very limited run. So now, because of COVID and because of the lack of Hand-Built Show 2020, we'll be launching these via our Instagram accounts only on a first come, first served basis. So please, look for them, buy them now, get them while you can. No repeats will come.
Now's the time of video where most people ask for money or donations or whatever. I'm not gonna ask you for that. What I'm gonna say to you is, if you wanna see more videos and you wanna learn more of what we've learned, and you wanna see a deep dive into a lot of these topics, go to our website and buy something. We sell everything from motorcycle gear, helmets, motorcycle parts, specialized tools. We sell lots of things, and they've all taken us years to figure out what the best stuff is, and we figured it out. So go to revivalcycles.com. There's some really good stuff there. Everything from like kick-ass hand grips from Posh to Radiance LED lighting and everything in between. We want to teach you what we know, but this stuff takes time and it takes real effort to make these videos and make them good for you guys. So go support us by helping yourself to the cool stuff you already need. And it helps us because we make a little bit of profit and then we can justify doing more videos. Thanks for your support.